Yo, did you know about the new Sri Lankan SMP? Its name is Cable SMP.
Huh? What the fuck is this? Shut the fuck up, bro. You're adopted. Hi, my name is Midnight, and this is my application to the Cable SMP. When it comes to PvP, well, I suck at PvP. I mean, look at this. Another reason why I should be in Cable SMP is because I have a lot of friends. And all of them are definitely not Discord bots. Hey girl, I think you are hot as lava. Cause you made me hard.
Wow, you're smooth. Wanna tell me your real name? Cause I will be screaming it tonight.
Yeah, boy.
Fun fact about me is I always have 1000 ping. Since my router is from another universe. The higher the better, am I right?
Actually, higher is not related.
That's not what she said. The last reason why I should be in Cable SMP is because I spent 5 goddamn hours writing this dog shit script. Guys, if you think this video is good, please consider accepting me to the server.